the shortest Trynottolaugh video of your life.
You should watch
My gosh.
I think most of them are just surprised.
Oh no, I feel like I'm here.
Please don't let it show the one of the cat jumping all the heaven.
This is music I can appreciate. Oh yeah, and check out Jaden's thing for the full video on his channel.
Check out my channel for the full video of this. Just even if you didn't realize.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was going for like 5 minutes later. Yeah, and guys, if you're wondering about the face cam, the reason I'm looking down in it and Jaden's looking up, because we have it on my laptop and the TV, and the camera's like right above the laptop, so yeah, he's taking it. Because I have an HDMI plug in. Why is there so much? Okay, so if you didn't know the punishment for laughing in this, what the flip is this?
Wow.
Oh, that's from Suicide Squad. So I owe you 2 gold.
Yeah.
And you owe me 1, so I owe you 1, and you owe me 0. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch on Jaden's channel for the rest of the video, because it's another video. It's the full video, because I wasn't recording. Bye.